SOLIDWORKS provides users lots of tools and flexibility when designing. One of the tools SOLIDWORKS provides is the fill pattern. The fill pattern allows users to create repeated geometry on a defined face. Let's take a look at exactly what the fill pattern is capable of doing. We'll start by creating a sketch on the front plane. I'll need a reference line since I've decided to create a circle here. This will be used in an upcoming step. I will now extrude this to whatever length needed and find under linear pattern my fill pattern. A better way to search for things is to use our S key shortcut. Simply pushing S on your keyboard will pull up the shortcut window where you can type in whatever command you're looking for, and we can jump into any command without even having to move our mouse. For fill pattern, I'm going to select the face in which we're going to apply our patterns. If I had features that I wanted to select for our pattern, I can do that down here, or I can create a seed cut. I'll go ahead and select our reference line for our direction. And we can tell SOLIDWORKS to create our seed for us. This can be circles, squares, diamonds, or even polygons. Once we have a selection, SOLIDWORKS gives us the instance count. We can change the spacing between the instances or the loop spacing. We can decide if we want to skip instances as well. You can use the instance count in annotations, custom properties, and equations. We can make perforated holes. We can make them in a circular pattern. We can make them square, or even make them polygon. But either way you choose to go about it, it's really quick and easy to create perforated holes on any surface in SOLIDWORKS with a ton of settings to help make sure that we get it looking exactly the way we need. Go into SOLIDWORKS today and see how easy it is to create your geometry with perforated holes.